Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evelyn. Today's video is going to be a thrift haul. I recently went to a thrift store with my friend Brittany, and I also picked up a few items with my little sister. So it's kind of like a collective thrift haul. A lot of the pieces are ranging from $1 to $9, and I picked up some tops, some jackets, and some pants. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the haul. Oh, I forgot to mention before I start, Happy New Year. But the first item I did pick up was this Texas Longhorn orange shirt. It's that burnt orange color. It's an extra large. It looks just like this. It was from the women's section. I just kind of got it to style it with some cute flare jeans or even mom jeans or some cute shorts. It's super cute, so I thought I would get it. Next, I got this really beautiful green button-up emerald green button-up shirt. It has two pockets in the front. It buttons all the way down. I just really was like, it's so cute. It's long sleeve. It's from the men's section, so it's obviously like the men's dress shirt. This wasn't a size 1X. The back looks like this. I kind of plan on styling this top like off the shoulder, or actually trying to see if I can wear this as a dress with like a belt hinging in out the waist with some heels and see how that look would look. I also was thinking about just wearing it with leggings and like, or even doing the skirt look where you wear it off the shoulder and like one part of the shirt is coming out and the other part's tucked in. But yeah, those are the ways I plan on styling this top. It was very soft. It kind of reminds me of the corduroy style looks. So the next top was just this really cute striped long sleeve shirt with a round neck. It looks just like this. I picked it up from the women's section. It is a size small, super cute. Nothing too special. The colors are a yellowish, goldish color with white, dark green, and like a little bit of an olive green in the background. It looks just like this, super cute. Plan on just wearing this every day type of looks. I can wear this with jeans. I can wear these with shorts. Something you just have in your closet just to wear whenever. And it looks just like this. The next top I got was this Sean John long sleeve gray sweater. It has a little bit of detailing in the middle where you see that the background is blue. You have gray, you have black, and you have a little bit of tan right here. Looks just like this, long sleeve. The back looks like this. Nothing too special, just something that you can wear with biker shorts, sweat shorts, jeans, or just wear as loungewear in the house. This is a large, so this was from the kids section, 18 to 18. It is really soft. I like it. I can wear this anytime. It's a very comfortable type of sweater, t-shirt type of shirt to wear, and I thought it would be really nice to have in my closet. Next, I got this shirt. It was just the men's clay championship shirt. I don't really know what team that is, but it was super cute and I thought I would get it. The wording is obviously in a pink color. You also have pink detailing at the top and on the sleeves and at the bottom. Looks like this. It's pretty cute. It's just something simple that I could wear as a regular fit around the house, or if I'm going somewhere with friends and I just want to style something really simple to wear and something kind of fast to just put on and just get out the door. So I thought it'd be really cute to wear. This was also, I don't know if I said it before, it was in the women's section. Next, I got this really cute light blue paisley type of button-up shirt. It kind of gave me the vibes of how, like, you know, some of the places have like their outfits and stuff, and they wear like some of the buttons on and some of the buttons off. I'll try to add pictures for inspiration. Also, since it's kind of from the kids section, I thought about trying to see how it would look if I tied it in the front. It is collared. It's a size medium, found in the women's section. The back looks like this. It was super cute. I have a lot of different ways I want to style this top, but we'll see how I actually do it. But yeah, this shirt, I don't know, it was really cute and it caught my eye, so it's something I wanted to pick up. Next shirt I got is another button-up. I did get a few button-ups, as you can tell. This is just a cute orange button-up from the men's section. It was a size, I believe, a large. Has a collar as well. Detailing is a bunch of squares with like blue and green linings on it. Something cool I can style, because I've seen a lot of pictures on Pinterest where people are able to like tie them at the, like, right above your stomach, or even trying to wear them off the shoulder or where you roll up the sleeves and kind of make it look like a cute little tomboy type of fit with some sweat shorts. I'll try to enter some photos throughout the video so you can get a little bit of inspiration of the ideas I have. But yeah, it looks like this. It's pretty long, it's a little bit bigger, but I do have a few ideas on how to style it, and hopefully I can actually successfully do that. Next top is just this oversized Cardinals jersey t-shirt. Looks just like this. It's a color red. It has two birds on the front, the team's logo. The back looks like this. It is player number 13. I honestly got this shirt just to wear in the house, but also I plan on wearing this like if I'm going somewhere like the I don't know, the gym, or if I'm just running errands, or if I just want to have something to wear. I've seen a lot of cute looks where people are wearing oversized t-shirts and oversized jeans, or oversized t-shirts with mom jeans, or oversized t-shirts with like leggings or biker shorts. So I got a lot of inspiration on wanting to get this shirt, so hopefully I can successfully do that too. The last top I did get was this cute green button. It's a button up, but it's also really a flannel. Looks just like this. It's dark green, also has dark blue detailing, buttons all the way down, also buttons all the way up, so you can button all the way up almost like a turtleneck. I'll show it better in the actual try on, but it looks like this, long sleeve, pretty cute, has a button right here. I just kind of got it because it was a long line button up, and I thought it was kind of cool to have in my closet. And the good thing about flannels, you can basically layer with other things, so I could wear this with like a sweater, or I can wear this with like a coat or a denim jacket, or I can even just wear it in different ways by like buttoning it up all the way and then wearing underneath something else. So I just like how like free you can dress when you're wearing a flannel, basically. So I forgot to mention this very last shirt that I have on. Actually, it is just a shirt that says Missouri on it. I thought it was so cute. My friend Brittany actually was the one who found this one. It was in the men's section. I cuffed the sleeves a little bit just to make it a little bit more form-fitted. It's a little bit large for me. Once again, like I said, I found it in the men's section, but it's super cute. I've been seeing so many looks where people are wearing like oversized sweaters, and I wanted to see if I could style it too. Lately, I've been wearing it with sweat shorts. I definitely recommend picking up them sweaters because I don't have a lot of like loungewear, so I wanted to try something different, and I'm so glad that I made this purchase. So next, I'm gonna jump right into the pants that I got from the local thrift store. The first pair of pants I got were these black corduroy pants like this. The bottoms are a little bit different than usual pants. They do have this like cuffing type of detail at the bottom. I have never owned a pair of corduroy pants, so when I had got these were really cool. These are from Gap. The size is 33 by 32. They're pretty nice. I like them. I plan on styling these with a lot. I've gotten a lot of bodysuits that I want to wear, and I think it would be super cute with these. They're thick, good quality. Only issue I think I'm having is the fact that it actually catches a lot of lint, but I mean that's not a problem just because you're a roller and get everything off of there and you be set. Good quality pants, a little bit high-waisted for me than usual. I love that because anything high-waisted is great because, you know, if I'm eating, you can't see it. Beautiful, praise God. But no, these are really nice. I put them heavy. The pockets are super deep because, once again, they're men pants and they have the deepest pockets, which I don't know why they don't do that for women. Another story for another day. We're not gonna go in that, but these were amazing trying them on. They were so beautiful, so nice. The next pair of pants that I did pick up were these really cool pants. Like, I don't know, like as soon as I saw them, I was like, oh, I want them. And I was scared they weren't gonna fit because the sizing on there says 1.5, and I don't understand why it does that. Like, it's kind of confusing. But they look just like this. They're just like a really cool design. They just remind me of the 80s and the 90s of how like the pants were. These are actually jeggings too, which is really funny because normally jeggings don't have pockets, but these do. Like on the back there's pockets, the side there's pockets. They're just so cute. I don't know how I'm going to style these pants, but I was just like, I want them, so I got them. They were only, I believe it was, how much were these? I think they were $7, which I had no problem with because I was just like, bro, these are a steal. The buttons are all rose gold. Even the top button right here is rose gold. The zipper is just a regular platinum type of gold on there. I thought the prints were amazing. The only issue I think I have with these pants is the fact that it's a little bit high water on me, but that's not a problem. I'll either cuff them or stick them in some shoes where you can't see it, or I'll just, you know, try to finesse it without anybody noticing. But I fell in love with these pants. I just don't know where I'm gonna wear them to. Hopefully not too many people will get on me because my sisters thought these were hideous, but I don't care. Next, I got these pants right here. It's another pair of corduroy pants, looks just like this. Great material as well. It's 34 by 34, so these were a little bit bigger for me. Normally in jeans, I'm a US, well, like Forever 21 jeans, I'm like a 31, 30. And then other pants, I'm usually a 10. UK sizes, I'm a 10. But 34 was a little bit big for me, so I had to like pull it from the back to see if it would fit for me if I had a belt on. So hopefully when I try it on with a belt, it looks better. If not, I'm screwed. But they were really nice. These were really nice corduroy pants. They were long, good quality, stuff like that. I just love the feel of them. They were really soft, comfortable. I didn't have any issues of it being too tight. The inside even feels softer, which I love. I think I'm falling in love with corduroy pants, which I should have been doing that from the jump. It's a little high-waisted, which is good because I like high-waisted pants. But apart from that, these pants are amazing. So next I'm going to jump into the jackets that I picked up. I only got a few, but I'm gonna show you the very first one. I got this beautiful white denim jacket. I've never been lucky enough to pull up and pick up a denim jacket from a thrift store for only freaking $5, but I was lucky that day when I went. This is from St. John's Bay, and I got an extra large. It's just your basic denim jacket, nothing too special, but it's in the color white, so that's what makes it a little bit better. I was looking for a black one actually, and then I went to the children's section and I saw this jacket and it was just sitting there, knowing dang well this is not a child's extra large. So I was like, what? And I picked it up, tried it on, I was like, I have to get it. If I don't get it, I'm fumbling the bag. Plus, something about this quality of the jacket is pretty amazing because I poured, what did I do? I had like went to go get drinks with my friends and I poured red soda on it, and I went to the washer a few days later because I just threw it in my laundry basket and it cleaned it. Like, it came out, because normally, you know, some white materials the stuff doesn't come out and it's stuck there forever, but this is a really good quality jacket. It was super cheap. I'm so happy I got it. It's definitely a staple piece. A staple piece I'm gonna have in my closet forever, and I'm so happy that I was able to pick it up. Next, I have this really cool blue jacket. Looks just like this. It's really a pullover jacket, nothing too special, super cute. Zips down to like about, I'm gonna say, a fourth of the jacket. Super cute. Light blue color. It's in a size large. My little sister was the one who actually picked this one up, but she picked up a few of the items too, and she found some really cool stuff. It's long sleeve. She rolled the sleeves a little bit. It's rolled right here too. I plan on just wearing this with like leggings, biker shorts, something casual, even jeans if I'm just doing little stuff, nothing too shabby, nothing too special. But it was really nice to have. I feel like it's a great essential just to have, just to wear if you're just doing something really simple. This was found in the women's section, and I feel like it was amazing. The color is so beautiful because light blue just looks great on everyone. So I was just like, I think we should definitely get it, and we did. The very last item I did pick up was this cute, I love it, this cute jacket. It's just another corduroy item. As you can tell, there's a lot of corduroy. It looks just like this. The inside is like that teddy coat material, which I thought was cute too. So I was just like, you know, why don't we just get it? Well, I just got it for myself. But it's an extra, well no, my bad. It's a large. And I got this jacket for $3.95. Yeah, because they do like weird pricing sometimes. I got it for $3.95. They have really good pockets. It's oversized. The pockets inside of here are super deep. And I was just like, bro, if I don't get this jacket, I'm playing myself. So I did. It's a little oversized on me, obviously, because it's from the men's section and it's not really, it wasn't for me. But I'm just really happy I got this jacket. It has different type of buttons than usual jackets, so it kind of clips and snaps, which is pretty good. It's definitely an oversized type of fit jacket, like I said before. But I feel like it will keep me really warm, because the one thing about Texas is they don't have like regular weather. Their weather actually sucks. So you never know when it's gonna be cold or when it's gonna be hot. But I'm just really happy that I got that jacket. But that's everything I did get from the thrift store, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're liking and commenting, and also turning on the notification bell so you can be notified the next time I upload. But apart from that, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!